what's up? I'm Shane, and today on Learn English with Shane, I have a lesson for you involving the words a and the. So do you know how to use those words? So in order to be fluent in English, you have to know the right times to use those words, or you can sound a little goofy. So check it out. Use the after you have talked about something for the first time. So for example, this is a cat. If there's a cat right there. The cat is white. So you wouldn't say a cat is white. Why? Because you specifically are talking about that cat. The cat is white. Also, use the when the person you are talking to knows what you are talking about. They have an understanding of what you're talking about. So, example, I am going to the bank. So if I told that to my wife, or if I told that to someone else I know that knows me and knows what bank I go to, I'm going to the bank, they know I'm not going to be going to any bank, right? So I wouldn't say I'm going to a bank. Okay. So that's something understood that people know. That's when you say I'm going to the bank. Also, someone knocked on the door, and it is probably the mailman. So basically it's understood that if someone's knocking on the door, they're talking about the front door, right? The mailman's not knocking on your upstairs room door. So it's understood that that's where someone's going to be knocking, is on the front door. Especially the mailman too. Another time, use the for general places. So if we're talking about, different places to travel to, or maybe, any place that you would go, the grocery store, or going to the football field, or going to the gym. There are places that you would use the for. So example, let's go to the beach. You wouldn't say let's go to a beach, because you have a specific destination in mind that you want to go to. Again, I love to ski in the mountains. You wouldn't say I love to ski in a mountain or a mountains, because you're speaking of a specific place. Also, use the for something there is only one of that everybody knows. So for example, the sky, the earth, right? So an example of how to use that would be, how many people are there on the earth? Now you could say, I guess you could say that, how many people are there on earth? But it sounds more better if you say on the earth. Again, the sky is so beautiful today, right? You wouldn't say a sky is so beautiful today. You would say the sky is so beautiful today. And everybody knows what you're talking about because there's only one. So that's a quick lesson. So hopefully that helps you to be able to distinguish when the right time to use a or the. So keep watching my videos. Subscribe to my channel. Have more coming. Keep practicing. For now, I'm out.